In this video, I will briefly introduce chlorination as a method for disinfection, as well as how disinfection byproducts may form during treatment and the risks and regulations associated with disinfection byproducts. Chlorination is a common method to disinfect drinking water. Disinfection is the process by which harmful pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoans, are removed from drinking water, and it is necessary to protect public health. Chlorination means treating the water with a chemical containing chlorine to kill or inactivate harmful pathogens. However, certain compounds, called DBP precursors, can react with chlorine to form disinfection byproducts, or DBPs, during treatment. These compounds may be organic or inorganic and may come from natural sources or be introduced by humans. Organic compounds are derived from living things and contain carbon. Inorganic compounds may also contain carbon but are not derived from living things. For example, phytoplankton, or algae, may release organic compounds that form DBPs during treatment. An example of an inorganic compound that may form DBPs during treatment is nitrate, which is commonly found in agricultural fertilizers applied by humans. DBPs present health risks, including cancer. Several DBPs are known carcinogens. For example, researchers pooled the data from 6 studies in the US, Canada, France, Italy, Spain, and Finland, and found that increased long-term exposure to DBPs led to increased risk of bladder cancer in men. The image on the right shows the molecular structure of bromoform. Bromoform is one example of a trihalomethane, the type of DBP analyzed in the pooled study. Because of the risks they pose to human health, the United States Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, as well as the Virginia Department of Health, or VDH, regulate DBPs in drinking water. However, because there are many types of DBPs, dozens or more, it is difficult to regulate all of them. Currently, the EPA and VDH regulate both total trihalomethanes, TTHM, and the 5 most common haloacetic acids, HAA5, as well as bromate and chlorite. The MCL is the maximum contaminant level permitted by the EPA and VDH in finished water. You can see the MCLs for regulated DBPs in the table at the bottom of the slide. This is the end of the video. Thanks for your attention.